Hi everybody, this is Felippe Pereira. I'm CEO and founder at PopConvert, and today I'm going to go through the process of installing PopConvert app into your BigCommerce store and launching your first campaign at PopConvert panel. All right, so let's go get it. First things first, let's go to BigCommerce Marketplace. Yeah, you can go to marketing sector and find us, or you can just type for PopConvert. By the time you search, we'll be already listed here. By the moment I'm recording this video, we're still not listed. Once you find our app and install it, you're going to be redirected to this registration page. You just got to fill it out with your data. The most important field here is your website address. You should use the same exact domain where you want your campaigns to be displayed. All right, once you register, you will be already inside our panel. All right, so I'm going to show a little bit what we have here inside our panel, and then directly explain how to create your first campaign. All right, as you have installed the BigCommerce app, you don't need to do anything else about installation, right? So everything is already done. Our script is already inserted in your website, and everything you need to do now is create your first campaign. Don't need to worry about copying or pasting any script. All right, so right now we are in the dashboard tab. Of course, we have here the leads count, page views, interactions, campaign impressions, and your conversion rate. So you can track this. Also, you can integrate it directly to your Google Analytics so you can see exactly, you can pick exactly your conversion event, your purchase event, and you can track how many deals, orders you're getting from the people who are enrolling in our pop-ups here, PopConvert. You can also filter it by campaign period of time. All right. Okay. The next thing, next view I want to show you guys is the leads. Yeah, where all the leads are going to. Are coming to this place. You can see here all the data you're collecting, and you can filter it by the campaign, of course, registration URL. This is very handy. You can filter users by the product pages, category pages, UTMs. Yeah, so you have a bunch of options here. You can also filter this leads by the heat, last interaction, and creation date. All right. If you want to integrate our tool to your favorite email marketing solutions, you can go here to integrations, and here you will find ActiveCampaign, HubSpot, MailChimp, and many others, Mautic, and many others. All right. If you don't find your favorite one, you get in touch with us. We're gonna try to get this integration done for you. All right. Having said that, we have the QR code campaigns. They're normally used for physical stores or physical events. They're pretty much the same. How to set it up is very similar to an online campaign. So we're going to focus on the online campaign today because the QR code campaign is pretty much the same. All right. So over here I have already a list of campaigns that I have created in the past, and I will create a new one over here for you. Okay. So whenever we create this first campaign, we have some templates over here. So we have some use cases or promotional dates. Yeah, Black Friday is right on the corner. So I'm going to select here Black Friday template. Whenever you choose the template, we're going to pre-fill some information as the text, the copywriting, and the background image. So you just need to check and see if you want to change and improve something on the designs tab. Here on the pop-up type, you're going to choose the type of interactive pop-up you want to use. So the spin the wheel is the most popular. We also have Pick a Gift, the TNT slot machine, scratch card, treasure hunt, and countdown. You can also use a regular pop-up if you need to. All right. Over here, you can understand the 4 elements we have here and edit the look and feel of each one of them and preview it in mobile and desktop. All right. You can preview every single step, so you see if it's looking like as you would want. So here you see the invitation bar. You see that it's gray, so it's not activated. You could activate it here in triggers. Most of the times it's not activated because you add one more step and then most probably you get less leads, less conversions. But if you are in a different step of your conversion funnel, then it could make sense because it's much smaller and will take much less attention of your user. But if you are already at the beginning of this conversion funnel, it makes more sense to just pop directly the pop-up to collect as much leads as you can. We have a reminder bar. It works as a second chance. So if the user closes this reminder bar, closes the pop-up, the reminder bar shows up and they can always open the pop-up again. And the FOMO bar with a countdown. So after they earn this coupon, this bar will pop and will trigger all this emotional fear of missing out triggers that would drive the conversions. All right. So every single element here has its own custom fields that you can change and make it look like the way you want. All right. Okay. Once you have finished the visuals, you can go here to set up which data you want to collect in your form. If you want name, a phone number, gender, all right, and also independent mobile and desktop. You can set it up different forms for mobile and desktop. You can also set up in which circumstances you're going to display your pop-up, also independently in mobile and desktop. All right, so you have some different triggers here: as it intend, browsing time, the amount of URLs visited, and page scrolling. Yeah, if you choose here URL visited and you put 2, the user will need to visit 2 URLs, and then in the third, the pop-up will show. All right, in the scroll down, they need to actually scroll down in percentage. So if you leave here as 80%, the user will need to scroll 80% down. It's very useful for blog posts and etc. Browsing time, it will be how many times after all the script of your website will be loaded. Then we're gonna count 2 seconds and display this pop-up. And the as it intent, in the mobile, we have 3 different sensibility levels, yeah, to understand the inactivity of the user and then display the pop-up. All right, so you can choose more or less how you want to add this to your strategy. You can also redirect the users directly to a landing page, directly to a product page, directly to WhatsApp conversation, or any link you can add here. You can redirect your user. Over here, we're going to add the coupons. So without the coupons, the campaign won't run. So over here, you can add different rewards. We have percentage, fixed value, and tax. Tax is very used for free shipping and etc. You can always decide the probability, the chance of each price to be priced here. And of course, if you want to use unique coupons that the users are going to use once and it will automatically expire, you need to first create it in BigCommerce platform panel. and then you put all of these discount coupons in a txt file, all right, just a plain text file with one coupon per line, a max of 5,000 coupons, and you upload it here. All right, so our platform, we use all of these coupons, and once they're all done, we send you an email notification so you can go back to the panel and load more coupons over here. All right, so if you manage to fill it out, all the steps here, you go to settings. So here in settings, we have email validation. Email validation is only for paying users. So if you want to validate your emails prior to the opt-in, so before the user actually opt-in, we verify if their email is correct. You can just drop us a line. We're going to tell you what's the best plan for you. There's an extra cost, it's an add-on. It's a third-party API that we integrate here to our pop-ups. All right. Limits. So you can decide if you want to work with just the new traffic of your website, or if you want to allow users to see pop-ups more than once. You can create certain settings for leads of this campaign. So this user has seen the pop-up and has opted in and enrolled. So for this guy, I want to show the pop-up just in 365 days, so 1 year from now, all right? To show this campaign to leads from other campaigns. So you can be running a campaign for female shoes, and you're running another campaign for male shoes, and you want to show the other campaign for somebody who has already enrolled in this first campaign. So you can keep it 1 day, 24 hours, 5 days, right? And those are the days that you want to not show the campaigns for the users who has seen the pop-up but has rejected, didn't enroll. So this one's, or maybe this one's 10 days, all right, and we show it again, and other campaigns, I don't know, 20 days, all right? So you can create here a strategy so your pop-ups will just display in the right moment, in the right time for users. You can add here name and description, campaign duration, so you can make temporary campaigns, all right? So let's say that your users are not purchasing late night in your web shop, and you want to drive sales in those moments. So you can create a campaign that will be from the 29th until the 29th, from midnight until 5 in the morning. All right. So yeah, you choose your time zone here, whatever you are, and that's it. The campaign will go and will be off in this exact moment, minutes and seconds. All right. You can also work with A/B testing, so you can add your campaigns into different A/B testing groups. So then you can see which one of them are converting better. And you can also activate CAPTCHA, the V3, the invisible CAPTCHA, all right? In the targeting is the most important part of the campaign. You can set up in which URLs you want to display this campaign, and which URLs you want to remove these campaigns, all right? So you have a couple of rules here: contains, is equal to, starts with, end with. So you can choose one of them. And you can be able to create some rules and add even more filters, and determine over here what's the priority of each one of them, right? So you can play a different role here and make sure that this campaign will be shown just for somebody who is arriving from Instagram or from Google or from a certain URL. Yeah, so products, categories. All right, guys, this way you also generate database already segmented database, and you drive more conversions because you put the gamification into a context. Yeah, so this is pretty much everything. Once you finish your free trial, you'll be able to choose your plans here. Everything is starting at $17 a month in an annual plan, so it's very affordable. And if you need anything, you can anytime click here and talk directly to me. I'm Felippe Pereira. I'm CEO and founder here at PopConvert. It was a pleasure to be here with you today. And any BigCommerce merchant that need any support can talk directly to me. Okay? So I'm looking forward to help you boost your sales with PopConvert and gamify interactive pop-ups. See you in the next video.